wonderfuls. Want to see the leather couch I built for my camper van? I had to throw away an old leather couch, but before I did that, I cut the leather panel off of the back and I saved all of the couch cushions just in case I could use them for something. It turned out they were gonna fit this perfectly. So with a little bit of sewing and a few button snaps, I was able to make some daytime couch covers. My camper van couch is also my bed, and the back cushion is split in two and cut diagonally so that I can take one piece and move it down alongside the bench cushion and have a bed extension. Can I help you? The bed couch platform has a small shelf that folds up on the side and fits the cut piece of the foam mattress perfectly, so it can hold that in place and give an extension to the top portion of the bed. I previously had cut up a bed sheet to wrap the back cushion and smaller sections and just safety pinned it on. I have fine upholstery skills. For the bench section, I think it was an old curtain that I again cut up and safety pinned on. It was just a quick fix and intended to be temporary, because it's not really the best material when you have 3 animals in your camper van. Everything shows up on it. I like the idea of the leather because it'll be easy to keep clean with the 3 pets in the vehicle, and I can just wipe the pet hair off of it and it will kind of protect the foam mattress beneath as well as my bedding. I decided to make this cover removable after talking with the broken Nomad, who pointed out that leather is not the ideal material to sleep on. So it will just be a daytime cover to kind of protect the foamy and the bedding from all the pet mess. The leather for the bench cover will just sit in place and part of it gets tucked underneath the mattress. Then the leather that goes around the back cushions is fastened together with snaps. So it will hold the cushions in place, and then I can easily unsnap it to get them out. And then I'll take it off at night and pull my bedding out of the cushion cover and have a nice clean spot to sleep, if the 3 animals haven't already claimed the bed.